Hey, what's up guys? I got two more bags that I want to share with you. Let's get into this. Bag number one is this bag, which is going to be for our lighting gear, flashlights, headlights, batteries. You're probably thinking, I've never seen this bag before. Well, I made this bag using Cordura fabrics, USA made webbing, YKK zippers. Let's get it open. So I keep all my gear. I don't know if that has batteries or not. Surefire. This is a Stream Light headlights. This is the UCO stormproof matches and tons of batteries. Oh, and here's the other battery for the Canon camera. I've been looking for this for a while. Good to see it again. This is bag number one. I really like it for a couple reasons. I'll show you right now. I can hang it right over here. Like so. And I usually leave it like that during camping, so I can easily grab my headgear, flashlights, batteries, whatever I need for it. So this is bag number one. Awesome. Let's talk about bag number two. Let's go over bag number two. This bag over here is by Blue Ridge Overland, and I utilize this bag for airing down and airing back up, and I also keep my soft shackles in this bag. So this bag keeps our air compressor, soft shackles, and our additional bag that I made, easy deflator, and our Stun tire deflators. One of the reasons that I like this bag a lot, and I mean the Blue Ridge Overland, is because it keeps everything super handy and accessible, so that we can air down and air back up when we need to. It's a great looking bag, and I'll have the description for this bag on the description below. I should say I should have the links underneath of this video. Check it out, and thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon.